Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Have you ever considered cooking your lettuce? It might sound unusual, but applying heat transforms those crisp leaves into something truly magical. The gentle warmth mellows any bitterness, revealing a surprisingly sweet and tender texture you'll adore. It's a fantastic way to elevate common greens, turning a simple salad ingredient into an unexpected and delicious culinary experience. This technique really opens up new possibilities for your weekly meals. For successful cooked lettuce, choosing the right variety is key. Sturdy types like romaine, butter lettuce, or little gem hold up beautifully under heat, developing a fantastic texture. Avoid very delicate or loose-leaf greens, as they tend to wilt too quickly and can become mushy. Once you have your preferred heads, wash them thoroughly under cold water, then pat them completely dry with a clean towel. This crucial step prevents steaming and ensures a lovely sear or braise. Sautéing is your go-to method for quick, flavorful cooked lettuce. Start by heating a tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Place your prepared lettuce, cut into halves or quarters, face down in the hot pan. Let it sear for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly charred and softened. Then, flip it and cook for another minute. Finish with a pinch of salt, pepper, and perhaps a squeeze of lemon or a sprinkle of fresh herbs. It's wonderfully simple. For a deeper flavor and incredibly tender result, try braising your lettuce. Place your whole or halved lettuce heads in a deep pan. Pour in about half a cup of vegetable or chicken broth, maybe even a splash of white wine. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover the pan tightly and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. The low, moist heat infuses the lettuce with rich flavors, transforming it into a wonderfully soft and comforting side dish. It truly becomes buttery. Once cooked, your lettuce is ready to shine as a delightful and unique side dish. Serve it warm alongside roasted chicken, pan-seared fish, or even a simple bowl of quinoa or farro. To elevate it further, consider a drizzle of aged balsamic vinegar, a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese, or some toasted pine nuts for added crunch. Cooked lettuce offers a surprisingly versatile canvas for all sorts of flavors, making it a truly rewarding addition to your culinary repertoire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.